Figma just released Figma Sites, and I gave it a try to see if it can really compete with Framer and Webflow. And the answer is yes. Now you might be asking, why am I so confident about this? Well, look at this website. I designed and built it from scratch with Figma Sites, and it only took me a few hours. It comes with some really cool animations, a parallax effect, scroll-triggered illustration reveals, and it's fully responsive. And the best thing is, in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. But before we dive into the details, one important remark. It's still in beta, so there are some bugs, and more importantly, the HTML it generates isn't great. I was also missing some key features, like the ability to build a contact form. But I'm hoping Figma will improve that over time. For this video though, let's focus on the design process, because that's where Figma Sites really shines. First of all, it's super easy to use and fully integrated with Figma. But the absolute coolest part is this. You can directly use your Figma components with all the interactions and variants right on your website, and they stay fully interactive and responsive. This mobile burger menu is a great example. It's a regular Figma component with just two simple variants, one for the collapsed state and one for the expanded state, and it works seamlessly right in the browser. See how smoothly the burger icon turns into a close icon. This happens automatically thanks to Figma's Smart Animate, which you probably already know. The point is that until now we could only prototype this kind of interaction and a developer had to rebuild it manually. But with Figma Sites, we can publish it directly to a live website, and it looks and works exactly like it does in the prototype. Another great example is this bar chart. Since it's just a regular Figma component built smartly with auto layout, it's automatically fully responsive on my website. And I can even apply a different variant for the mobile layout. See how smoothly it stretches? That wouldn't be possible with a static exported image, and getting a developer to rebuild it would mean extra hours and added costs. But what about looping animations? Figma makes them easy to create using variants and the after delay trigger. Just like in this component, it has 4 variants connected with after delay interactions, and Smart Animate handles the smooth transitions between them. But can we actually use this animation component directly? Absolutely, it's simple and straightforward. We simply add it to our page, switch to the preview, and watch it in action. Alright, we've nailed responsive components, interactivity, and animation. Now let's dive into this slick parallax effect and those cool scroll-triggered reveals. It might look complex at first, but it's actually super easy using Figma's interactions panel. We simply select any element like text, an image, or a component and add scroll parallax. Let's say we want this element to scroll slower than the rest of the page. We simply move the slider to 75%, launch the preview, and it scrolls more slowly. Now stack a few of these interactions on different elements, and you've got a great parallax effect in seconds. The reveal animation works the same way. Just pick an element, add a reveal interaction, tweak the settings, and that's it. The animation triggers as soon as the element comes into view while scrolling. This was Figma Sites in a nutshell. In my next video, you'll discover even more, including how to embed video players into a Figma site, manage responsive layouts, and how to connect your site to a domain. I'll also show you how to connect your site with Google Analytics and add a cookie banner. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.